In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online efficiently and effectively. Let's dive right in and get you started with this straightforward process. First, you'll need to navigate to the Bank Transactions section within QuickBooks Online. You can simply do this by logging into your QuickBooks account and heading to the banking area. This is your first step toward managing your transactions seamlessly via sales receipts. Once you're in the Bank Transactions section, look for and click on the New button. This is a crucial step as it allows you to begin the process of creating a new sales receipt from scratch. Clicking New is like laying the foundation before building a house. It sets the stage for everything that follows. After you've initiated the creation of a new entry, you'll need to select Sales Receipt from the list of options presented. The sales receipt option is vital as it helps you document details of sales transactions where payment is received immediately. It's clear, concise, and serves as proof of sale. Now, you'll want to move on to the Customer section. Click on Customer to select the customer associated with this particular sales transaction. This step personalizes the transaction and ensures that all accounts are accurately credited. With your customer in place, it's important to add an email. Click on Email to input or verify the customer's email address. Confirming the correct email is entered is essential for efficient communication and for sending digital copies of the sales receipt directly to the customer. Next, direct your attention to the billing details by clicking on Billing Address. This step is not just about filling out a form. Gathering the correct billing information ensures that records are kept accurately, which can be crucial for future auditing or communications. Don't forget to set the date by clicking on Sales Receipt Date. This might seem like a small detail, but it's quite significant. Accurately noting the date helps with organizing and tracking transactions within your system. When it comes to payment, click on Payment Method to choose how the customer has paid for the transaction. Options can range from cash, check, credit card, to other methods. Properly logging the payment method is important for reconciling your accounts later. To further refine your entry, click on Reference No. Input a unique reference number for this transaction. This acts as an identifier, making it easier to locate and refer back to specific transactions in the future. Finally, decide where you want funds to be deposited by clicking on Deposit To. Select the relevant account to ensure that funds are accurately tracked and deposited into the correct financial account within QuickBooks. Once everything is filled out and double-checked, click on the Save button. Saving locks in your entry, securing all the information in your QuickBooks records, and that's it. Congratulations, you've successfully created a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. You can now easily manage and track your sales transactions with confidence. Thanks for watching, and until next time.